Alrighty, good morning, everybody. Well, today, I think Bitcoin is the story here, really. This is where the story really is. It's just a Bitcoin story. This is a good trend going on right now. It is a bit pushed at the moment, right here. But on the 4 hour, there is this pullback. Again, something to watch. I want to see how price is just closing in this area. And then that's about it actually. Bitcoin is the outperformer at the moment, but right here right now not so much. I mean, it's kind of gone. um NZD is catching strength from yesterday, so is AUD. The only issue with Aussie here is that now it is up against a resistance here, and so it's reached this resistance area. Now either it stalls here basis or it pulls back and then gives a signal. So right here, right now, Aussie is something to watch. It's definitely something to watch. Nothing really is happening at the moment, but something to watch. It's gonna need some more time. Could be a sell actually from here. There could be some selling off movements from here. This is just the base. Like this is the high and this is the low of this consolidation base, you could say, and then maybe potentially shorts from here. Stretched away from the 13 EMA, that's a good signal to short. Stretched in terms of 50 SMA, quite flat, or a little bit tilting up at the moment, but overall flat. Stretched away from the 13 EMA on the daily at this resistance. So uh, um, there could be a reason to look at shorts. And then CAD is doing basically the same thing here inside this range, up and down here, and then selling off from the top. It's just selling from the top, going lower. That's basically what's going on here. Again, this is coming closer to the bottom end of the range. Yen shorts are absolutely lovely. Trend down, couldn't break these highs. We are still selling off. And the only issue here is that now we are playing above the 13 EMA here on the daily, and then we are playing right above this sloping higher 50 SMA. Prices stretched away from the 13 EMA as well. So perhaps, even looking at this here, there is this whole region here. Perhaps some buying setups potentially from yen in the shorter term. But overall, anything above here with this 13 EMA, that is a short possibility. Okay. And yen, I mean, dollar also looks quite bearish here. We're breaking below these demand area that I've been talking about since last week. This demand area here. Now we've broken, retested, pushed down. Again, don't love the selling right here, right now, since there is this resistance, I mean, support down here, or even just here like that. Some sort of pullback would be nice here. Again, this is price inside of this range. That is what's happening right now. There is this range and price is inside of it. And unless we break below, there's nothing much going on right here. Swiss franc on the daily is a clear short. Again, though, it is inside of this range right here, just inside this range. And really, to fix this, I don't really like this price action here. Again, though, inside the range, very bearish. 50 SMA sloping down. So Swiss franc shorts are pretty decent here. Euro, same thing. It's it's literally just basing. SMA is trying to tilt down, 13 EMA tilting down on the daily. And so if this price on euro is going to break below, I think that's a pretty good short here. Pound, I don't like as much. It's in between the moving averages on the daily. I don't know if it's up or down. And then on the 4 hour here, it's just inside the space. Really just basing. So nothing really going on here with the pound. And yeah, so interestingly, I would be interested more so in euro shorts. They're interesting. I would be interested in mm, Swiss franc shorts are interesting. Dollar shorts are interesting. It's a matter of timing. Yen short is also interesting. But I can't short right now with yen. I do need some pullbacks. I need to see price action in this area. I want to see how this area holds, and then from there I'll look at it. In terms of longs, Bitcoin cryptos is a clear long, and it's just broken out of this high base. This is really, really good in terms of cryptos. Um, mm, 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 mm. Yen is also, I mean, CAD is also short. But right here, right now, again, inside of this range, very tight range. Even this could even be that. But this whole area is just that range. I'll just put this as well. This whole area is just a demand area. And lots to short. In terms of longs, Aussie could be that, but this is already a pretty decent move here. Right here, right now, I don't think so. Like this move on the daily, 0.4. Like, look, this is basically how much this thing moves. Maybe a little more, 0.5. But lately, that's how much it's been moving. Down here, yeah, it's been moving more. But 0.45 in terms of EV is pretty good already. This would need to be breaking for these bigger moves. So at the moment, we are right up here. So it's a matter of, I just want to see how price reacts at this area. Are we going to just stall here? Are we going to reject it? Or are we going to start looking to break? And then that could lead to a potentially higher price. NZD as well, but I like Aussie better. Again, NZD is also inside this range. It's just inside of a crazy range here. That's the top of the range. All these things are not doing anything superior. They're just inside this range. So a very range bound market at the moment. Very, very range bound. So it's a matter of just seeing what's really happening. Yeah. And I don't really have any setups today. It's just range bound market. No real setup at the moment for me. But if I do later on, because right here, right now, it's a lot more waiting than actually executing. If I do, then I will probably update at the desk. And let's open this back up. Let me turn off the call.